Hello everybody, my name is Jamie Alexander and today I'm going to be showing you how to work with Safari web browser. Now, let's first I'm going to start off with actually going to Safari, so I'm going to open it in Launchpad. So here it opens up to top sites. These are the top rated sites. This will eventually change to show your top sites or the most visited ones. You may also edit it. Um, uh, but first, I'm going to start off with showing you settings. So if you press Command comma or go to Safari and Preferences, it opens the same thing. Let's start off with General. So default browser, my current default browser is Firefox, but you can change it to Safari, Chrome, and Evernote and Real Player, which I don't get. Also, you can set your default search engine, Yahoo or Bing. Under that, you see Safari opens with new window or Windows from last session. New windows, which is what happens when you press Command New. That is what happens. That's what it means by new windows. New window will open with currently top site but home page. So takes me to my home page, which is the Apple Start. You can set your home page to whatever you like right here, and new tabs open with home page or empty page or same page. Now, for history, remove history items manually. I prefer to be able to determine when I actually remove them, because otherwise I might lose something that I would rather like to come back to. Also, top sites, in here, it will only show 12 sites, but you can select 6 or 24. I'm going to keep it at 12 though. Now, much similar to other web browsers, you have where downloads are saved to. You can set that by going to Other and selecting Dropbox, to Google Drive, Documents, Desktop, whatever you feel is most convenient. So I'm going to stay with Downloads, and there you go. And remove downloads. Same thing for downloads list as for your history. I prefer manual, but you can say when Safari quits or opens successful downloads. Upon successful downloads. Open save files after downloading. Now for tabs. Open pages in tabs instead of windows automatically. So basically, when I click a link, instead of opening a new window, it will just open a new tab like this one. Now also it has command click for open new tab, command click, command it's command click. And when a new tab or window opens, make it active. What that does is it makes it active in your actual web browser. It becomes recorded on all that stuff. Autofill. This is for passwords and info that you may be typing in. It will draw this information from different sources, which you can edit here. For passwords, you can set which passwords are saved for different accounts that you have online. You can say show password for selected website. That requires me to type in the password, but since I don't want to show you guys my password, I'm going to say cancel. For security, it will warn me of fraudulent websites, which basically means corrupted or reported websites. Enable JavaScript block pop-up windows. This is important to keep off if your freshman year, at least if you're since you will be working with the websites Math Excel and Pearsons.net, which require you to have pop-ups disabled so that they can open their pop-up learning tools. Let's see. Allow plugins, yes. Though you can manage website settings here. For privacy, remove all website data, cookies, and other website data. Whoa. 181 websites store cookies or other data. I'm going to say remove that. It's removed now. Clears that. Block cookies and other website data. I prefer to keep that on never, since some websites that I use for school actually require me to have cookies enabled, and so that they can open their learning tools. Limit website access to location service. Prompt for each website once a day. Prompt for each website one at a time. Deny without prompting. So this will limit website access to where you actually are, so that they can't use it for marketing or tracking you or sending you junk mail. Website tracking apps, websites not to track me. I don't like people following me. It's like having a car following you around the streets. Except that now it's the cyber highway. Smart search field, do not preload top hit in the background. I do not like having things popping up at me all the time, so I keep that on, and prevent search engine from providing suggestions. This is very convenient if I don't know quite exactly what I'm looking for and the internet happens to have a better option. So in notifications, you here you can edit which websites can notify you. For all you Twitter and Facebook users, this is the thing for you, since it will automatically update you to posts on Twitter and Facebook. For extensions, you can this allows you to add extensions to and websites to your web browser, so that to make things run faster and work better. Finally, in advanced, we have accessibility. Never use font sizes smaller than that. You can change that. See if you want it 24 or 9 or 11 or 9 or whatever the heck you want. Include Bonjour in the bookmarks menu. Include Bonjour in the favorites bar. I'm going to enable that. So Bonjour is right up here. I'm going to take you about Bonjour. Essentially what Bonjour is, it facilitates accessing devices in your range, such as printers, as you can see here. This is my home printer right here. Here's the description of what Bonjour is. It's a zero configuration networking, enables automatic discovery of devices and services on a local network. So that's like basically Wi-Fi and printers in your area that you can access. Also here, stop plugins to save power. Yes, I like to keep my computer lasting as long as possible, but if you like to have plugins which I believe make things faster, you can keep that checked. Style sheet, none selected. You can go to other and select one from your documents. Default encoding, Western, ISO, Latin 1. Proxies, change settings. Proxy is your internet connection. You will only change if you are trying to change your Wi-Fi. Now, up here you have your top websites such as Facebook, Twitter, Wikipedia, Yahoo. Here, if you click on this little book thing, you see bookmarks and favorites bar. This is where you add reading reading list. Sorry, not favorites bar. Reading list. Websites that you want to use later, and bookmarks which you can bookmark. Here is also this is where you can add things to reading lists or add to bookmarks. So if I click on add to bookmarks, say add, go to this, and favorites bar, bonjour. There we go. So basically this is your bookmarks bar as well. So Facebook, not sure where this will take me since I don't have a Facebook. So yeah, stop that. Ag. So let's go back, and here you can see new tabs, and you can also view all the tabs you have open currently, as making it easier to see, and close them by clicking this or Command W, 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 W. There you go. And if you only have one open, then it will take you directly to the only one that you have open. Up here is your refresh button. That will refresh the page if things are getting slow or something weird is happening. This also is Apple Incorporated. Safari is using an encrypted connection. So basically, you can't access this actual service since it is encrypted. So that pretty well covers it. Safari is a pretty simplistic web browser. I don't know. I don't particularly like it, but the thing is, it is simplistic and it does have this sort of nice open feeling. Doesn't have a home button, which I don't like personally, but and it doesn't access other websites very well. It's not as compatible as Firefox or Chrome. Overall, Firefox is the most accessible or compatible with multiple websites. But if you're into this sort of nice, very sort of minimalistic web browser, then I would definitely suggest Safari for you. It's a bit slower as well, but that's not too big of a problem. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please ask the tech office, or if you happen to know me, feel free to come and talk to me. I should be able to answer any questions you have or find a source of answers for you. Speaking of source of answers, if you go up to Safari, you can see, let's see. Well, actually, sorry. If you go up to help, you can search. You can go to Safari help, and that should help you with any problems that you have. So if you go to problems, Safari help center, it will search your input and should be able to help you with most basic things. So I hope I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Jamie Alexander, and thank you for watching.